I'm Liz, and welcome to AI Boost Bites, where every week we teach you the skill to supercharge your work with AI. Have you ever tried to create a picture of yourself with AI, only for it to look a little weird, like a distant cousin you've never met? You get a picture that is close but not quite the same, and it just doesn't feel right? Today, we are going to show you how to use the new image editing model in the Gemini app to create the perfect imaginative portrait, all while ensuring that you, your friends, and even your pets look consistently like themselves. The secret to getting a great result starts with a simple formula. For any image you want to create, think of these 4 parts: subject, action, scene, and style. Let's see it in action. A prompt like, create an image of a woman in a red dress is pretty vague, no? Now, let's apply our formula with more detail for subject, a young woman in a red dress. For action, running. For scene, through a park. And for style, in the style of a vintage photograph. We can also add details about the composition, like asking for a wide shot. See the difference? Now, the more details that you provide, the better Gemini can follow your instructions. Let's use this formula to do something really magical. I'm going to upload a photo of myself. My goal is to place myself in a completely new time and place, but the most important thing is that it still looks like me. I'll use a detailed prompt like, create an image of me, subject, laughing, action, in a 1960s diner, and that would be the scene. Make it a close-up shot in the style of a vintage photograph, and that's the composition and style. And there it is, a 60s beehive haircut, but it still looks like me. The model keeps my look the same, so I can try out any outfit, location, or decade I can imagine. Placing yourself in a new scene is amazing, but what if you want to bring a friend along? You can upload multiple photos to blend them together. I'll upload my photo and one of my dog. Now I'll prompt Gemini to create a brand new scene with both of us. Create an image of me and my dog, for subject, playing basketball, action, on an outdoor court, scene. And just like that, you have the perfect, impossible portrait. To create the perfect portrait, first, start with the formula. Think subject, action, scene, and style. The more specific you are, the better result you get. Second, picture yourself anywhere. Upload your photo and use a detailed prompt to transport yourself to a new time or place while still looking like you. And third, combine and create. Upload multiple photos to blend subjects together into a single brand new scene. Ready to get started? Now it's your turn. Earn your badge by completing the challenge. Thank you for watching and have fun.